Recently, I got this tabletop fire pit and I was looking for the best fuel for it, and I think I actually found it. These Tiki firewood pellets look just like this, and they do have a smell to them that smells like some kind of igniter fluid, but I don't really know if that's exactly what it is. But they are definitely compressed wood, and they burn really well, and they burn pretty hot too. And using this tabletop fire pit, they burn actually pretty evenly, as you can see right here. Anyway, this is what it looks like inside the bag once you cut it open. If you've got the larger bag, you don't want to actually cut this open. In fact, it says not to cut it open, but I had to in order to put it inside this thing right here. Funny enough though, I bought a really big thing of it. And not only did I buy a really big thing of it, I bought a lot of it. Look at this. This is for a large fire pit, but I've got a tabletop fire pit. Wait until you see this. I got a total of 6 packs of this Tiki fire pit wood pack for larger smokeless stoves like this little tabletop one that I have right here. Anyway, I went ahead and cut it open, even though it says do not cut open. And I lit it, and I'll be honest with you, this thing lights right up. So you don't need a starter wood or anything like that. This thing lit probably in about 10 seconds, just holding a lighter down inside there. I'm gonna try to light this thing. It smells like it's lighting. We've got this fire pit going, so the pellets are actually burning right there inside the pellet adapter, so we gotta let it get a little hotter. So we're gonna put a few more pellets in and see if this will burn some more. We actually have this fire pit really going now. It is really burning, as you can see. Just light the bag if you have a large one. Pour some into your pellet adapter if you've got a little small one like I do, and go ahead and light it and add some more to it, and it will work. There's the tabletop fire pit. It's been burning for a little while using these pellets right here.